Hello guys! I'm going to share another recipe with you today. The ingredients are very simple and easy to make. So let's start our cooking. Come with me. First, soak 1 tablespoon gelatine powder in 1/4 cup water. Then set it aside for the gelatine to bloom. Combine 200 grams of crushed grams and 1/2 cup melted margarine or butter. Mix well to combine. When the texture is like this, it's okay. It's time to put it in the molder. I put 1 tablespoon in each molder. I used 1/4 cup to squeeze the grams well, because we have to squeeze them well so that they harden. Then let's put it in the chiller to set and make the flan mixture. In a saucepan, just combine the ingredients such as egg, evap milk, condensed milk, vanilla, and salt. Then slowly stir. Then put the gelatine that we soaked earlier. At this moment, we can open the fire to medium flame only. It should be mixed often to prevent the mixture from forming completely and also to prevent the bottom from burning. You can add yellow food color, but it's optional. When you see that it is bubbling, turn off the fire immediately and don't wait for it to boil. Then filter it so that our flan is smooth and without lumps. Put the flan mixture on the grams that we cooled earlier. It is up to us how much flan we put. Then let's put it in the chiller overnight or until the flan sets. After about 4 hours, I tried to taste it. The flan had set, and it was very tasty, guys. Promise. If you are going to make this a business or a gift, please put it in this example of packaging ideas. Thank you very much for watching, guys. By the way, I will be tender to you. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and please also click the bell to be updated.